Have you ever dreamt about waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you slept? Imagine this. It's 7:30 a.m. and the sunlight peeks through your blinds. You're in bed, still groggy, but you hear that familiar ding on your phone. You look at your notifications and see a payment. $150 earned overnight. No boss, no commute, just passive income rolling in, quietly making money work for you instead of the other way around. But let's be real, passive income isn't a magic ATM. It takes smart planning and a bit of work up front. Today, I'm going to show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to build passive income streams that could eventually set you up to earn while you sleep. I'll also share some personal stories and real-life examples of people who've done it. No flashy get-rich-quick schemes, just real strategies that work. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the myth of passive income. Too many people think passive income means doing nothing and earning everything. But here's the truth. There's no truly passive way to make money. Not even the most successful entrepreneurs just sit around and get rich without effort. What passive income actually means is setting up a system that does the heavy lifting for you. Think of it like planting a tree. You invest time and energy upfront to plant it, water it, and give it the right conditions. Eventually, it grows strong and starts producing fruit on its own. That's how we should think about passive income. So now that we've cleared that up, let's dive into the 5 ways you can earn while you sleep. Let's start with one of the easiest ways for beginners to get into passive income: creating and selling digital products. Digital products could be anything from ebooks, templates, online courses, to printable planners. Once you create them, they exist forever and you can sell them over and over again. I have a friend named Alexa who used to work in customer support, a classic 9-to-5 job. One day, Alexa stumbled across an online tutorial about creating printable planners. Now, she's not a designer, but she followed a step-by-step guide and created a simple digital planner template. She uploaded it on Etsy, priced it at $5, and forgot about it. A week later, Alexa checked her email and saw she made her first $5 sale. Fast forward to today, and she's selling 50 to 60 planners a month, earning an extra $300 to $400 without actively working on it. Sure, it's not crazy money, but it's steady cash from a one-time effort. Actionable tips: if you're thinking about getting started, look for free tools like Canva to create templates or design digital products. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website are great places to sell. The secret: find a specific problem and solve it with your product. The second way to earn while you sleep is through affiliate marketing. This one's all about recommending products you believe in and getting paid for it. Companies want more eyes on their products, so they'll pay you a commission every time someone buys through your link. A few years ago, I started making YouTube videos about budget tech gear. In one video, I reviewed a budget microphone that I genuinely loved. I didn't have a huge audience back then, maybe a few hundred subscribers, but I dropped an Amazon affiliate link in the description and told people to check it out if they were interested. To my surprise, people did. That one link earned me around $100 over the next month, all while I was busy doing other things. Over time, that grew as my channel expanded, and I saw how easy it was to earn from sharing products that genuinely help people. Actionable tips to get started: look at affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, share a sale, or impact. The key here is honesty. Promote products you genuinely use and believe in. Trust builds your audience, and trust drives conversions. The third way to earn passive income is one you've probably heard a lot about but might find intimidating: dividend investing. Now, I know that the word investing might scare some of you, but bear with me because this is simpler than it sounds. When you invest in dividend stocks, companies pay you a portion of their profits just for owning their stock, and you don't need a ton of money to get started. In fact, there are apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance that let you invest with as little as $5 or $10. I once met a guy named Marcus at a finance seminar. He wasn't a finance wizard. He was just a regular dude who started working as a delivery driver in his early 20s. But every time he got paid, he took a small chunk of his earnings and invested in dividend stocks. He didn't even know much about the stock market. He just kept it simple. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and other companies he recognized. Now, in his early 30s, Marcus earns around $300 a month in dividends. It's not enough to retire on yet, but it's like getting an extra paycheck every month for doing absolutely nothing. Over time, as his portfolio grows, so will those dividends. Actionable tips: if you're just starting out, use apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance and focus on dividend-paying companies with a strong history. Reinvest your dividends to grow faster and let compound interest work its magic. Another fantastic way to earn passive income is by creating content on YouTube. I know what you're thinking: YouTube can't be passive. And you're partially right. You put in a lot of work up front to create videos, but once they're up, those videos can keep earning you money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links for months or even years. Let me tell you about a guy named Jake who started a YouTube channel reviewing budget-friendly gadgets while working his 9-to-5. Jake didn't see huge numbers at first, but he kept at it. He built a catalog of videos, and some of them started getting thousands of views every month, even after he stopped actively making content. Today, Jake has over 50 videos, and each one earns a few bucks in ad revenue and affiliate sales. It might not sound like a lot, but all those small amounts add up. He's now pulling in $700 to $1,000 every month in passive income from those old videos. Actionable tips to start a YouTube channel: focus on creating evergreen content. Videos that stay relevant over time, like tutorials or reviews. Optimize your videos with good thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to get that steady flow of views. The final way to earn passive income is by renting out digital real estate. This might sound complicated, but all it means is creating digital assets like websites or blogs and earning money from ads or renting out space to advertisers. I met someone at a networking event who built a simple blog about pet care tips. She wasn't an expert. She just loved writing about how to take care of dogs. She wrote a few blog posts every weekend and put ads on her website using Google AdSense. Once the traffic picked up, those ads started bringing in $50, $100, then $300 a month. She wasn't doing anything actively, just collecting passive income from ads. Actionable tips: if you want to start your own website, think about a niche you're passionate about. Use platforms like WordPress to get started, and write about what you know. As your site grows, monetize with ads or even affiliate products. So there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income while you sleep. Remember, none of these methods will make you a millionaire overnight, but with some upfront effort, they can start generating that extra cash flow you're looking for. So, which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.